Magic Monty Reed here, and today we are going to do the unboxing. I've got the package from Fun Motion Toys, and this is the Wandini Magic LED Levitation Wand. And in the package, we've got the product and an invoice. And you are going to want to get one of these. You're going to absolutely love it. This is the unboxing, and let's see, what do we got here? So, we've got a charging cable, and here, let's see. You can see Wandini. Got the charging cable. There's a central portion that looks like it has the charging port and the on-off, and it looks like it actually has a charge, so that's good. And multiple lighting settings. So, let's see. And probably should have read the instructions. However, I am going to just see how intuitive this is. It sure looked like it was pretty intuitive. I have worked with wands and canes for many years, so I'm excited about this. Let's see. It looks like an adjustable strap, an adjustable finger strap here, and there we go. All right, so this has the black string on it. For this to work better, you want a black background and a black shirt. So my white shirt's not actually very good for this. I'm excited about using this at night, and so we're going to be checking that out in a little bit. But we have different colors, solid as well as flashing, different solid colors. This looks great. There's some different modes. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Okay. All right. And then if you hold the power button, it turns off. I'm going to have to get this on the charger and play with it. But like I said, this is the unboxing. Now, there's not really enough room in here because I've got the tables all set up. This is a very small studio here. But let us see. So, there we go. Let's go back here. See if we can make some adjustments. And like I said, this is just the unboxing, but we are going to come back and do more with this. Let's see. All right, here we go. There we go. This is a really good starter set for somebody who wants to learn how to do some of the fire dancing without flame. You know, you've got the LED, you can have the excitement and beauty of some fire dancing without any flames. So there's some basic fun moves you can do here. There we go. And you can get it to come back and retrieve into your hand. Some other dancing you can do with it. You can get it to sort of stick to your hand. There we go. So there's a lot of fun moves that you can do if you look up the Wandini LED dancing wand. You should be able to find some really cool videos, and we are going to be posting some of these as well. And it's something, it's kind of like juggling. You know, you get time and experience, you'll get a lot better with it. There we go. So, there we go. So it's something that you can have a lot of fun with. This is the Wandini LED dancing levitating wand. Get yours today. Follow the link. I hope you enjoy it. I'm Magic Monty Reed. Have a great day.